Hello, welcome to the second part of the video series. And if you haven't watched the first one, you can find the link in the top. And alright, let's install the Tailwind. So we are using Tailwind for styling our blog site. Let's head it to the documentation. And need to go to the docs, and under installation you can find the framework guide, and also you can find for the Next.js. Let's copy the dependencies, and also it's create the Tailwind config file. So let's go to the config file. Alright, now we need to add the content segment of the config. So in our case we need the last one, this one, because we are using the src directory. Alright, let's copy that one in the content. Alright, now the last part, we just have to import this in our global CSS. Let's do that as well. Alright, we are done. Let me restart the server and let's see. Okay, it has reset all the default styling. Yeah, just to make sure, let's add some style into our header. I'm gonna add a size and a color, and let's see. Alright, it is working. That's been we have configured the Tailwind correctly. So now I'm gonna add some basic styling to this blog site to make it look nicer. But in this video I'm not talking about specifically Tailwind, like Tailwind utility classes and stuff like that. But there are tons of video out there. You can follow those videos to learn about the Tailwind. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, this is the homepage of the blog site. I have added some style, and it has about a section and also a list of posts that we have in the Contentful site. So let me go into a detail page. So this is how it's look like at the moment. So it doesn't have any styling, syntax highlight or anything like that. But we can fix this very quickly with really cool plugin that Tailwind provide, which is typography. So let's search for that. Okay, this is the library, and first install the dependencies, and let me go back to the terminal. Okay, it is installing right now. And also let's configure this plugin in our Tailwind config file. Okay, yeah, let me restart the server as well. All right, we are good. We have set up this server. Now we need to add a special class into our detail page in order to do the formatting. So yeah, this is how it's look like still, and that class is this. So that's all we have to do. We just have to add this class into the place that we display the content, and it will do the magic for us. See, it has improved a lot. So yeah, it's changed everything. So yeah, now it looks very pleasant now. And also we have to work on this syntax highlight. It doesn't work out of the box with the library that we have used to render the rich text, but it's provide a way to customize those render. So let me copy these options first, and I'll explain how we can do it. Okay, let's paste the options, and also let me import relevant types. Yeah, we don't need this paragraph marker. And now we are literally saying if the rich text does have code marker, then if it is found, then we let in know the renderer how to render it. So we are saying it should be in free tag within code tag. Let's see. Yeah, it is working. That's all you have to do. you have to give the markers or blocks whenever you need to customize it. Just check out the render documentation and you'll find the details you needed. The next thing is, let's see how we can improve our metadata. For that, we can add a method called generate metadata if you have dynamic content. So in our host detail page, we have dynamic content. So let's add that method. So yeah, there's two ways. This is the dynamic way and the other one is static way. I'll show you how you can do the both. First, let the method generate metadata, and also this one get the same property as our the post component received. And what we have to do is we need to fetch the metadata from Contentful side and display here, so we can provide, even we can have a dedicated field in our content model for SEO related data like metadata. Okay, for here let me add the title as the post title and see whether it's working. Yeah, it's okay. There was an error actually. So this name has a typo. It should be generate metadata, and yes, it is working. So yeah, good. Now within this metadata, you can provide this meta description, open graph details, author, and all sort of thing. So the best way to find it out is by checking this type definition. So let's go to this type interface, and yeah, you can see it has a lot of things like, yeah, literally check that out and you will find out what are the supported metadata. All right, let's see how we can do the other way, the static way. It's pretty simple. You just have to add a variable constant called metadata with the metadata that you need. So in our case, I'm going to put it as select lab. That's it. Let's go to the home page. Yeah, it is working. It's take the metadata from the constant. All right, that's all about metadata. Now let's improve our code a bit. Okay, I'm going to refactor this post.ts file. First, I'm going to move this client out of the file. Gonna have dedicated file for that, and let's import the Contentful. All right, we have dedicated client file. Let's import it here. Go. Okay, I think we should move this one as well. Let's call it type. We can keep all the type in this file in future. Okay, let's see how we can improve the type of this method. So let's go to the definition. Yeah, it's take a generic, so that means we can provide the content model type of the content model in our case. So yeah, it's assigned to the field. We are good. Let's go back and let's pass the post as the generic value, and let's do the same here. Okay, now it support type. Great. And also I need to add basically I need to add the created at time to display the post created time. So I'm gonna return item. I'm gonna call this created add, so it's in the system within the item. And since I need this in the other method, I'm gonna add a transformer for this. Basically we can reuse the same code in both method. Alright, so yeah, you're done now. And but first let's see how the type is look like for the created ad. And okay, it's an string, but we need it as a JS date. So since we have the transformer, we just have to convert the string into date object. Okay, I think yeah, good. Let's see whether everything is working. This is complaining. I'm not sure. Let's import again. Yeah, it's all the issue. And yeah, okay, it's work as expected. And what else? Oh, all right. Yeah, I forgot to import the type for that. Let's add that one. Should be document from the rich text type. Alright, we will fix the error with this. Alright, it is fixed. Okay, that's it for this video, and see you in the next video and see how we can deploy this into Netlify. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.